Welcome to Tool Specs. So in this video today we're going to review the CAT starter kit, the DX12K.3, which include the 1/2 inch drill and a 1/4 inch driver. CAT cordless power tool are owned and manufactured by Positech Group Limited, which are based in China. They are a licensee of the CAT logo, which is a registered trademark owned by Caterpillar Incorporation. Now this kit includes 2 lithium battery, and as a warning, do not throw this kit in the fire. What you will find in the box is a nice carrying bag with the CAT logo on it. Inside this bag here, you will find 2 4-amp-hour battery. They're 18 volt. They're the DX4 amp hour. Those battery come with a fuel gauge here. You can press the button and see they come about halfway charge from factory, like most power tools. Those one have the release button to release it out of your tool at the front of the battery. Move this little latch up and down. Next thing you're going to find is a battery charger. The DX4, which is a pretty fast charger actually. This is a 95 watt 4-amp-hour charger, 20 volt. There's some clips to be able to put on the side of your tool if you have a tool belt. Your 1/2 inch drill, model number DX12. And your 1/4 inch driver. Model number DX71. In this bag here, you have some pockets for your tools at the front. More pockets for more hardware on the side. Padded pockets on the back. And on the other side, also on the inside towards the CAT label, you also have a nice wide padded pocket. And on the other side, there's a 3-section pocket here. Those ones are not padded. I'm gonna put the battery in so that the drill stay upright here, but this has 4 connection in here. 4 connection at the bottom of your drill here. The kit that comes from Costco has the 4-amp-hour battery in it, and this is something to take a look at because most kit out there, if you buy it from other companies, will have the 2-amp-hour battery in the kit for about the same price, sometimes even a little bit more expensive than this kit. So keep an eye on which kit you're getting and what battery you're gonna be in your kit. So now moving on. So this is a regular forward and reverse with the lock trigger if you keep it in the center here. There is the nice LED light to shine on the surface you're working on. This drill here has the 1/2 inch shank with the ring that spins at the front here, so you do not mark the cabinet or whatever surface you're drilling. It has the professional shank on here, which is a metal shank. It has 2 speed, first speed and a second speed. The clutch has 22 setting plus the maximum setting and the hammer drill setting. This drill is a 600 inch-pound of torque. First speed is 500 RPM at 8,000 BPM. So BPM is beat per minute. So this is how much impact it gives if you put it on the impact drill function. Now speed 2, instead of 500 as like speed 1, speed 2 is 2,000 RPM. So 4 times faster than speed 1. Also 4 times more beat per minute, 32,000 beat per minute. Another neat feature about this tool here is the texture grip on the handle to give you an extra grip so it doesn't slide in your hand. This is actually a pretty quiet drill. This is what you can expect for a noise level at speed 1. And for a noise level at speed 2. And I didn't edit that. It's very quiet. See, I'll be speaking at the same time. Now let's take a look at that 1/4 inch impact driver, which is also a brushless. The model number is the DX71. This one also have the texture grip on the handle, forward and reverse with the lock position to lock your trigger in the same time. This is good for if you're carrying lots of tools with you to your workstation and you know, you don't activate the tool by accident as you're walking around. If you have it on lock, now when you press the trigger, you will have your LED light shining on your work area. To release your bit, you have to move the shank forward here, and then when it's back, it's now locked into position. It is spring loaded. This tool has the 3 different speed. The speed don't affect the torque on it. It just affects the speed and the beat per second that it does. So your maximum torque with that 1/4 inch driver is 1,900 inch-pound, which is pretty high. The first speed is 1,300 RPM at 1,600 beat per minute, sorry. The second speed is almost double at 2,100 RPM and 2,900 beat per minute. And the third speed is 3,200 RPM and 3,600 beat per minute. So this is pretty high there. This is going in the professional series. So as long as the internal components are able to handle all of this, and I'm sure they are, this is a pretty impressive tool. Now before you go test the tool, let's talk a bit more about this charger here. Yes?
But sir, some of those people are not subscribed yet. How are they going to see all of your other review video?
I wouldn't be too worried about it. See, some people press subscribe. Oh, just like, thank you, sir. Yeah, this guy pressed subscribe. He wants to make sure that you watch the tool to see how they work and how good they are before he goes and buys them and spend his money. So back to the charger. So this charger here is the DXC4. It charges at 95 watt and it at 4 amp hour. So 4 amp hour, that means that if this 4 amp hour battery here would be fully discharged, it would charge it in 1 hour. And if you all know, a lithium battery, they cannot get completely discharged. So what happens is they have a voltage cutoff in there, and they will cut off usually around 14 volt. So it means that you're probably going to charge this battery in way less than an hour. The light here is green to show you that the charger is plugged in. If you put the battery in there and the light started to flicker green, this will mean that the battery is too hot to be charged or too cold. If the same light here is red, it means that it is charging your battery. And if you have a defect with the battery and it cannot charge the battery because the battery went too low or it's damaged or one cell doesn't work in it anymore, then the red light is going to blink. While you're charging here, some of the power tool brand will show you how much charge there is in the battery. This charger doesn't here, and the battery doesn't either unless you press the voltage button, and then you can see how much charge there is on that battery. When the battery is completely charged, then it's gonna be solid green to tell you that the battery is fully finished charging. All right, well, there's only one thing left to do is let's go test those tools. Okay, I'm installing some new fence board there, so we're gonna try the DX71